Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Got a real exciting one. This is a pretty rare car. It's a 2021 Camaro ZL1 with the 1LE Extreme Track Performance Package. It is a manual transmission. They're not all manuals. A lot of them on the market are automatics. At the time I'm doing this video, there's about 4 of these manual transmission 1LE cars on the market. It's a beautiful car. It's the lowest mileage one at the time right now. 3,400 miles. It's a 2-owner car. I know both owners. The first owner I've done a lot of business with. I took this car in on trade and sold it to somebody I've known most of my life. And he really cared for it as well. Kept the mileage down and just traded it back. Something different. Beautiful car. 1LE package. It does have the data recorder also, performance data recorder. Manual trans, black lug nuts. It's got the red seat belts. It does have the infotainment 3 with the big 8-inch screen. The plastic is still on that screen even. This whole car was ceramic coated. Factory exhaust. It's bone stock. This car also has a full body PPF, front to back. It's wearing the Eagle F1 tires, the originals. We've got 2 key fobs for this car, all the books. It's got the Bose sound system, heads-up display. Steering wheel is in perfect condition, suede, as well as the shift knob. Take a look at the seat bolster. It's in perfect condition. It's a gorgeous car, sounds great, extremely fast. Kick seals. All these automakers are killing off these supercharged V8s with a manual transmission. This could be one of the last ones. It's got collector car written all over it. New ones go well over sticker. Just a beautiful car. It's in mint condition. The front spoiler is perfect. No scuffs or scrapes. Wheels are perfect. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. Website is rogersmotorcars.com. You can subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of stuff coming down the pipeline. We get a lot of cool cars, low mileage stuff like this. We can ship anywhere in the country. And we can do all of our deals remotely very easily. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.